This is the last chapter, chapter 9, which is special topics in management. They discuss about small business, entrepreneurship. They said small business managed is vital because it ensures that efficient operations of the business supports financial stability, facilitates growth, enhance customer satisfactions, and strengthening the competitive positive position. It is essential for navigation challenges, making informed decision, and ensures that business long-term success and sustainability. And introduce the 6 entrepreneurship fundamentals that define entrepreneurship, the key elements of entrepreneurship, define entrepreneur, key characteristic of entrepreneur, rules and responsibilities of entrepreneur, and last types of entrepreneur. Those fundamentals is really helpful to business or a company. They mention about challenges as entrepreneur. The first one is financial management, marketing and sales, competition, operational efficiency, human resources, regulatory compliance, and scaling and growth customer expectation, economic functionation, time management, and last innovation and changes. Those challenges should be surpassed by the individual wants to be entrepreneur or a businessman. And if you want to start a business, there's a legal form and requirements. The first one is business registration, single proprietorship, partnership, corporation, and last cooperative. The first is business registration. It's a government mandate that requires a new business owners to provide essential information to government agencies before their business can legally operate. The single proprietorship is a business owned by the one person or one only. Partnership is a business formed when two or more partners formally agree to joint owners of a business. Corporation is a business entity involving 5 or more persons owning it. And lastly is cooperative. Cooperative that a group enterprise made up several trades or producers who are interested to produce or trade as a group. These are the legal forms and requirements for being an entrepreneur or a businessman. Carrying all time. So this is my reflection of chapter 9, which is special topics in management.